Hi everyone and welcome to the Gold Medal Caregiver channel. Today I'm going to share a super cool wellness method with you, magnet therapy. The patients I've cared for, and even my own son, have seen great results from it. This can help you get back to good health. What is magnet therapy? How do you use it? Does it really work? I'll tell you all about it. It's simple and practical, I promise. Let's get started. What is magnet therapy? It's using magnets on acupuncture points. It combines traditional Chinese medicine meridians with modern magnetic therapy to improve your health. Traditional Chinese medicine says it can calm the mind and open up the meridians. Modern science thinks magnets can affect blood flow and how cells work. It has a long history. Over 2,000 years ago, they recorded that magnets could treat rheumatism, joint pain, and even deafness. From the Ming Dynasty, even said putting magnet powder in your ears could help with tinnitus. Pretty cool, huh? Modern developments. In the 1960s, China started combining magnets with acupuncture. In the 1970s, magnetic patches and beads came along. Now even Japan is into magnetic therapy. From a TCM perspective, magnets adjust your qi and blood flow. Putting them on acupoints is like acupuncture. They balance yin and yang and the 5 elements, helping your body find its natural rhythm. Modern hypotheses. Improving blood flow. Magnetic fields affect the iron in your blood, widening blood vessels. Better blood flow means more oxygen and less waste. Reducing inflammation. It might lower inflammation, making swelling and pain go away. Adjusting cells. It might change cell electrical potential and ion exchange, repairing damaged tissue. It can even increase mitochondrial energy, which is ATP. 2 types, static magnets, like magnetic patches and wristbands. There are lots on the market, but the research isn't conclusive yet. However, they've worked really well for me so far. Pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, or PEMF. This uses electromagnetic fields for stimulation. Studies show it helps with arthritis and bone healing. Common benefits include pain relief, reducing inflammation and swelling, better sleep, faster healing, and muscle relaxation. For pain, like headaches, joint pain, and muscle soreness, applying magnets to acupoints like Li4, Hegu, and ST36, Zusanli, works well. For inflammation and swelling, like with arthritis and tendinitis, magnets can help. For sleep, putting magnets on HT7, Shenmen, or ear acupoints can relax your nerves and help you sleep soundly. For healing, magnets can stimulate growth in fractures and tissue repair. For muscle relaxation, it can relieve spasms and tension, which is especially helpful after surgery. How do you use them? Combining them with acupoints is best. Where do you put them? You can put them on body acupoints like ST36, Zusanli, and Li4, Hegu, or ear acupoints, or even Ashur points, which are where you feel pain. It's easy to use them. Just apply magnetic patches, bracelets, or even pillows. You'll feel something within 3 to 5 days. It can replace acupuncture. No needles needed. It uses magnetic force to adjust the 5 elements and yin and yang. It's safe and convenient. In terms of real-life cases and advantages, I have a personal story. My son has a rare disease. Doctors initially thought he'd need a ventilator and oxygen for life, but after using magnet therapy, he got much better. We went from despair to hope. You can see the details in my Gold Medal Caregiving Journey video. Among the patients I've cared for, those with imbalanced 5-element circulation and poor organ function saw improvement after a few days of using magnets as a supplementary treatment, even without medication. Precautions. Science is still researching this. The effects of magnetic therapy vary from person to person. There's less research on static magnets. Pulsed electromagnetic fields have more evidence. If you have a pacemaker or are pregnant, don't use it without talking to your doctor first. It has great potential, it's safe and practical, it's worth trying and sharing. Magnet therapy involves placing magnets on acupoints. It combines TCM and modern magnetic therapy to balance your body's yin, yang, and the 5 elements. It pulls energy from strong areas to support weak areas, improving imbalanced circulation. TCM says it can calm the mind and open up the meridians. This is important. The human body has 14 meridians that need to work together to keep everything balanced. Over 2,000 years ago, they used it to treat joint pain and deafness. Nowadays, it's believed that magnetic fields can improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and relieve pain. In the 1960s, China started researching it, and now even Japan is on board with magnetic patches. Pretty amazing. The principle is simple. TCM says magnets regulate qi and blood. Placing them on acupoints is like a substitute for acupuncture. It balances yin, yang, and the 5 elements. Modern science says magnetic fields can widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and the exchange of oxygen and waste. It can also reduce inflammation and improve cell activity. The patients I've tried it on, after 3 to 5 days, those with low energy and poor sleep, all said they felt a difference. My son's case was a complete turnaround. After magnet therapy, he slowly got off oxygen and the ventilator. There's video proof. What can magnets do? First, pain relief. Put them on Li4, Hegu, for headaches, St36, Zusanli, for leg pain. It works well. Second, reduce inflammation and swelling. It can help with arthritis and post-surgical swelling. Third, better sleep. It relaxes the nerves. Put them on HT7, Shenmen, for a good night's sleep. This one's the best. Fourth, adjust circulation and balance the 5 elements. Also, it helps with bone healing and muscle relaxation, especially good for post-surgical recovery. The patients I care for who have imbalanced 5 elements and poor organ function, using magnets along with their medication speeds up the process. Super easy. Find an acupoint like St36, Zusanli, or HT7, Shenmen, or wherever it hurts and put a magnetic patch on it. You can use patches, bracelets, or even magnetic pillows. Wear them every day and you'll feel something within 3 to 5 days. It replaces acupuncture. It's painless and safe, and it can also adjust yin, yang, and the 5 elements. My son is a perfect example. He went from poor sleep to being full of energy, without any medication. I've been a caregiver for so many years and I think magnet therapy is amazing. No side effects, easy to use, and super helpful for people with low energy, poor sleep, and imbalanced 5 elements. Like after heart surgery, when blood flow is poor and energy is low, magnets can help reduce the need for medication and ease the burden on healthcare. Scientifically, the effects vary, but everyone who's tried it says it's good. I highly recommend giving it a try. In short, magnet therapy is simple and practical. It regulates qi and blood, promotes circulation, and can even relieve pain and improve sleep. Want to hear my son's story? Go watch my gold medal caregiving journey. That's all for today's gold medal caregiver. Please subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Your health is in your hands and magnets can help. See you next time.